If someone ever texts you the words, "Are you busy right now?" do not respond, because yesterday I was on the toilet going number 2. But out of nowhere, I got a text from my friend saying, "Are you busy right now?" And I don't like to lie, so I told him, "No, I'm not." But this was a mistake because I assumed they were just gonna text me asking me something. But instead, 2 seconds after I sent that text, they FaceTime me and it felt like I got flashbanged. So I declined it because I'm not gonna FaceTime someone while I'm on the toilet. But this made them upset because they texted again saying, "Why didn't you answer? I thought you weren't busy." Yeah, I'm not busy, but that doesn't mean I wanna FaceTime. The toilet is my place of meditation. Please just let me enjoy it.